Why choose AquaRevival regenerative media filters? There are a multitude of reasons. First off, our filters are covered by 5 U.S. patents that attest to the technological superiority of our technology. Designing your pump room around our filters will allow you to reduce the size of your pump room, which will likely pay for the filters before you purchase them. If you are retrofitting a location that previously used sandbed filtration, you probably won't have to demolish a wall to get our filters into the pump room. All of our filters ship standing up and fit through a standard single or double door. Every day, our filters will save you money because we don't waste water by backwashing. That's right, no backwashing. We revive the media. That's why we call them AquaRevival regenerative media filters. AquaRevival filters help you save money and helps you save the environment because we don't waste backwash water. Throughout the day, the filter removes particulate matter down to 1 micron and in some cases below 1 micron. Once per day, the filter is programmed to revive the media, which is to say we shed the media from the elements and then pre-coat the media and trap particles back onto the elements. This process is automatic and no operator intervention is required. You can schedule it for a convenient time that fits your schedule. Also, the AquaRevival filter monitors the filter loading and will automatically revive the media during the day if it is needed, with no operator intervention required. You may go a month or more between changing media, which is a simple and inexpensive process and covered in another one of our videos. At AquaRevival, we design operator interfaces that are flexible and operator-friendly. The interface between our filter control and the drive makes getting up and running a snap. In this demonstration, we can see that this filter is set to provide about 210 gallons per minute or 48 cubic meters per hour. This throttle valve simulates the filter loading up with particulate matter, dirt essentially. It acts as a restriction to the flow of water through the filter. Our filters have low head loss because they are well designed. As the filter loads up with particulate, however, the differential pressure will increase as you would expect. To economize our energy use, we set the VFD to maintain the flow rate automatically. When the perlite media is fresh, the pump doesn't have to push as hard. When the perlite media is partially loaded, the pump runs a little harder. When the perlite media is fully loaded, the filter will revive the media. But wait, there's more. Every day, our filters will save you money because we don't waste water by backwashing. In the case of aquatics, you save the chemicals you use to balance the water and the heat you put into it for the comfort of your bathers. No backwash means no makeup water to chemically balance or cold water to heat up for bather comfort. In the case of drinking water and food and beverage operations, again, there is no backwash and you will be preserving the life of your carbon beds and likely extending the maintenance cycles on your RO system. This translates to more product run with less maintenance dollars expended and an overall more profitable operation. In the case of agriculture filtration, our filter and drive can be placed into a suspend cycle to further save money and help save the environment. AquaRevival builds products in the USA that you can trust, that will save you money and will have a positive impact on the environment. Our filters are NSF 50 recreational water and NSF 61 drinking water rated, as well as UL listed electrically, and the pressure vessels are ASME Section 8 Division 1 designed, built, and stamped for your assurance of the highest of qualities. AquaRevival, proudly made in the US of A.